Welcome to the installation guide for the sidearm bag of your WHILL Model C2. Let's get started. Carefully remove the arm cover. Take a moment to determine the correct direction for the arm bag to be installed, placing the straight edge toward the front and the curved edge toward the back of the armrest. Open the sidearm bag and identify the Velcro straps and their corresponding attachment points. Securely attach the Velcro pieces in the middle of the arm bag to each other, leaving enough space for the armrest, and then slide the arm bag over the armrest from the back. Then take the long skinny strap attached and thread it through the designated slots on the wheelchair frame. Close the Velcro pieces at the bottom, ensuring they are securely fastened to each other. Lastly, replace the arm cover and make sure the clips are securely fastened. And that's it! Your sidearm bag is now securely installed and ready to accompany you on your journey.